Thank you for visiting my channel. It's getting warm and time to start heading outside with a beer. So how would you like to make buffalo chicken wings to go with your beer? Hot and sour chili coating dipping in creamy ranch sauce. Before watching this video, please consider click like and subscribing to my channel. That's the ingredients for ranch dressing. I use Japanese Kewpie mayonnaise. Yum! 5 tablespoons of milk, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 5 tablespoons of sour cream. Juice from half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried dill, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt and mix well, then done. So easy. Next steps, prep the chicken wings. If you need to clean the wings, do it before adding seasoning. Put 1 kilo of chicken wings into a bowl and add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, then rub well. Put 4-5 tablespoons of starch into another bowl. Next step is deep frying the chicken wings. Coat the chicken wing with starch and put them into the oil. Heat should be between high and mid and the oil temperature about 160 degrees. Cook the chicken through, then put them on a tray. The link to my buffalo sauce in the description, so please check it out later. Almost finished. Did you put the beer in your fridge to get cold? Put the chicken into a bowl, add the buffalo cheese sauce and then mix well. You can put as much chili sauce as you like. Serve with ranch sauce and done. Now you can open your beer, watch the game and feast on chicken wings. Thank you for watching. See you next time.